Aishwarya. My journey to Salesforce started in the last year of graduation. I was in dilemma, what next? I had many questions, what career to be opted for and which technology is in demand. And that's when I started exploring about Salesforce, started attending meetups, workshops which were conducted by Salesforce, and there I got introduced to the Journey to Salesforce program. G2S helped me in my journey to become a Salesforce developer. It also gave me opportunities to meet potential employers. In one such event, Ohana Meet, conducted by Salesforce in Hyderabad, I got an offer from Eternal Solutions. I believe working with Eternal Solutions is a great start for my career. Eternal allows me to explore my potential, grow as an individual, and as an awesome training program. I feel lucky that I got opportunity to work on Salesforce with Eternal. Now that I can confidently say I'm a Salesforce developer.